In this video, we will show you how to enable Samsung DeX mode on the Samsung Tab A11. Let's begin. First, open Settings and search for Keyboard. And you will see that the DeX option appears. This is a hidden Samsung feature for devices that are not officially supported. Now tap on Connect wirelessly. Select the device you want to connect to and tap Start Now. If this feature does not appear on your Samsung phone, make sure your device is updated to Android 15 or 16. That's it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.